it's Lonnie.
Hi, it's Lucky. How are you? Oa mai oe.
Today, we want to spend time with Mommy.
Our tina, our mother likes the house to always be clean and tidy.
That's how she shows her love for us every day.
Let's help with the indoor chores today. Fesoasoani means help. Fe'au means chores.
Let's learn Samoan words as we clean the house.
I'll start by wiping the dust off the tables. Hefu means dust. Lau means table.
Next, let's sweep and mop the floors so it becomes sparkly clean.
Salu le foloa means to sweep the floor. Mopu le foloa means to mop the floor.
Use a broom to sweep the floor clean. It's also easy to sweep. You swish the broom left, and then you swish the broom right. Swish left, swish right.
Mopping the floor is one way to make the floors clean and free of dust.
Lucky, let's tidy up our beds, fold the blankets, fluff out the pillows, and pick up our toys so it's not messy in our bedrooms.
Moenga means bed. Ie afu means blanket. And alunga means pillow. Always keep your bed tidy so it looks nice.
I will pick up my toys on the floor and put them away, Lucky.
Always pick up your toys and other things when you see them on the floor. This is so you won't step or slip on them.
Lucky, I hear Mommy and Daddy downstairs. They must be back from shopping.
We'll go down and help put the shopping away. I'll open the refrigerator now.
When putting the groceries away, you place meat, fish, and frozen food inside the freezer.
Vegetables go into the crisper so they stay fresh and yum.
Bread, cereals, canned goods, and other dry food go into the pantry.
Mummy will start to kuka se mea ai. Cook the food now. Let's help out.
We'll set the table as well. I'll get the plates, glasses, spoons, forks, and napkins.
After eating a meal, we have washed the dishes. Fufulu means wash. Ipu means dishes.
I put dishwashing liquid on a sponge and squeeze it all out and see the bubbles. Then I clean all the dishes and wipe them clean.
Make sure to let all the dishes dry before you put them away.
Today was fun. We got to help Mommy inside the house. Let's learn all the words we learned in Samoan. Let's start. House.
Fale,
Help.
fesoasoani,
Chores.
fe'au,
Dust.
hefu,
Table.
lau,
Sweep the floor.
salu le foloa,
Mop the floor.
mopu le foloa,
Bed.
moenga,
Blanket.
ie afu,
Pillow.
alunga,
Cook the food.
kuka se mea ai,
Wash.
fufulu,
Dishes.
ipu. Well done. Make sure to help out outside. Make sure to help out inside the house.
Not just on Mother's Day, but every day. See you again next time. Bye!
Bye.